Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you? I am fine, and I hope that you will be all okay and fit from health by the grace of God. Dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube Hussain TV channel. You are watching the best and trendy collections of outdoor rainwear dresses. These dresses are very beautiful and charming color, specially made for rainy season. Completely waterproof and windproof. Excellent multi-coated raincoats. Dear friends, I hope that you will like my video and enjoy my video. So I request you, please subscribe my channel if you are new, and share my videos with your friends and say them to subscribe my channel. Dear friends, in the comment section, please tell me about my video that how he was. Dear friends, my video is to the end. Goodbye. Thanks for